Okay, today we're going to talk about DynamoDB indexes, and specifically DynamoDB Secondary Indexes. So, to refresh your memory, we've got a DynamoDB table here. We've got a partition key and a sort key. The partition key is something we can use to look up a row in the database, and the sort key then allows us to sort within that partition. A local secondary index is something we can define which shares the same partition key as the table, but has an alternate sort key. Now you might be looking at this example and saying, well, this doesn't look very useful because we have a unique product ID here, and so there's only ever going to be one row found in this particular example. And yes, you're quite right, but the concept still remains. For a secondary index, what you can also use is a global secondary index, which allows you to have any column as your partition key. So here we have the ISBN. So we want to be able to look up a book by its ISBN number. Then we can do that using a GSI, a global secondary index. And we can also have a separate sort key, in this case, the author. Again, in this particular example, the ISBN is actually unique. And so that secondary sort index is probably not going to be particularly useful. One other thing to mention is that because you can design a DynamoDB table to use multiple types of data within the same table, you can have what's called a sparse index. So let's say we had both books and publishers stored in this table. We could have some rows which don't have an ISBN, and the index that we're defining here, where the ISBN is the partition key, would not appear in this secondary index. So that reduces cost and it improves performance. Here's a nice summary for you. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.